For Hing Potol or Hing Parwal, first fry the Parwal in hot oil. Add a pinch of turmeric powder. Fry until light golden brown. Now keep aside. Next, heat some oil in a pan. Add ginger paste, cumin or jeera powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder, then add the tomato. Mix it well. Now add quarter teaspoon soaked hing powder. Season with salt and sugar. Keep stirring. Now pour some water. Bring it to boil. The gravy is boiling. Now add the fried parwal. Now reduce the heat. Cover and cook until the parwals are soft. After 15-20 minutes, check the parwal. Parwals are nicely cooked. Turn the heat off and it's ready to serve. Enjoy Hing Potol. Thank you for watching.